Yeah, baby.
Got him. There you go. Pikers?
Yes.
On board. I'm not gonna probably just go to Culver to get a, you know, when I'm, yeah, when it's just simple, I want it. There you go.
Uh-oh. On the swim jig. Fast too. There you go.
Get in the boat! Get in the boat! That's what I'm talking about, boys!
Rocky, baby. Get in here. We're keeping them.
Nice crap. Yeah?
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
Probably.
Get in here, baby. All tied up. An all online class, and throughout the whole semester, it's like we don't do anything. We have these assignments that are stupid. He doesn't speak like any English, but we don't like. I don't know, because we never had an in-person, or we never have classes.
Oh, it's like
we just have an assignment due every week. But like, okay, here's the email he just sent us. Class, we are wrapping. Got one?
Are you fucking kidding?
Crappie?
No, I think it's a walleye.
No, it's a bass.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, he choked.
Never give up!
That's going on the video right there.
Oh, no!
He goes, class, we are wrapping up our semester. I hope you have learned. Please check your grades and let me know if you have any questions. That's it.
Yes. Look at that. Fish. You can come back. That's pretty long, like that. Huh? It's pretty long.
He's on here now.
Oh, Michael, we got ourselves a legal. It's over. How far is your hook? You have a shaky head on there somewhere?
Do it in the box. White.
Got it.
I thought she's bigger than that. Dang.
Good man.
Man, I thought she was bigger than that. Well, now we know that those other fish I saw probably aren't that big. They're all males, aren't they?
I don't. This is a female.
16.
That's definitely a female. She's like half in between the spawning.
Good one. He looked better when he jumped.
so. Although he's got some beef to him.